This is our energy audit task, and so wasn't really too sure what to do, so I let ask Val kind of because he's smart.
Yeah, okay, I'll take over from here. So basically, you're gonna want to call your energy company or something to see if they will come do an audit for you. Some charge, some don't, and we'll get into that here in a sec. But a little tip before you get started, maybe before you call them to do the actual audit, a little tip is to look at all your seals around your windows, doors, things like that. We just learned a little trick from HomeManager, I guess, using a match, and either use the smoke or the actual flame and put it up by where you see any light coming through your doors or windows, and you can actually see whether there's pressure coming through, maybe from the wind or something, or actually a negative pressure coming out. So but to kind of give you an idea, I'm sure you probably can't see that from here, but there's a couple little daylight actually coming through our door, which is not what you're looking for. So in this door here, I'll just show you real quick. I'm gonna heads up there. There's cracks actually up around the seal here. So when we put this storm door in, or this screen door, down in the corners and up top, it looks like we didn't quite get it in correctly. But this is one of those things that was a DIY, and
We're learning.
yeah, we're learning as we go. But anyways, you're gonna want to check that, and then you're gonna go ahead and call the energy company. Hopefully they'll come do it for free. If not, there's private companies and stuff that can come do it for you. If you do want to do it yourself, HomeManager should have a link provided from energy.gov, I believe, or
You go
something.
around and do all your doors and all your windows and make
There's
sure
a little checklist on there that you can follow and actually do it yourself too. So I think that's pretty much it for the energy audit.
Thanks, Mal. I
Yeah.
didn't know that. So.
No.